The sights of the coolest gadget, the sounds of sizzling ingredients, the scents of the spices, and the taste of happiness. All of these senses are important to use when creating a tasty treat. Sounds delicious, right? If so, then you could be a baker. A baker is a person who uses their skills and creativity to create breads, cakes, pastries, and other sweet treats. Most bakers start their careers by completing small tasks in the bakery, such as cleaning, but this leads to learning from the most creative minds in the business. After that, bakers earn their high school diploma or GED and continue to study pastry arts. Pastry arts is the art of baked food preparation such as donuts, cakes, cookies, and so much more. Bakers are always perfecting their craft and creating new sweet treats for their customers to experience and enjoy. But wait, you don't have to wait until you're a grown-up to become a baker, right? Do you have any ideas how you can turn your love of desserts into making money? You can start with creating delicious culinary treats for a family member or friend to enjoy at their next party or event. But be sure to ask your parents for permission before getting started. Until then, enjoy your sweet tooth.